Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find chat settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings, and here as you see you'll find chat settings. Click on it and here you can manage your chat settings easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to find your chat settings on your account on Telegram easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.